Hello, I am Hongdefa. I am a maize. I have three main parts. Skin, endosperm, germ. I can be milling to maize meal, becoming the staple food of many countries. Now coming with me, first I come to the factory by truck. Through the unloading pit, pre-cleaning machine, remove large size impurities. I sleep in the silo for some months. The temperature and moisture degree can be adjusted for me. I come to the clean sifter, Destoner magnetic separator, take out the impurities like stone, iron. Now I am clean maize, I need to drink some water through dampener, to add some moisture. Let me sleep in the bin for some hours to absorb the water. Now I am waking. Let us continue our traveling. I need to go to the degerminator to scrub the skin and to dislodge the germ. Some husk and germ are sent to the byproduct directly. Most parts through the aspirator moving to the milling section. Start the milling traveling, I become the final products. Super white maize meal. Then you can making fufu, ugali with me. Now my traveling is ending.